guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Now when I do these ultra cheap watch reviews, the only thing I care about is them copying a popular design well. Simply because I always view them as tryout models before you pull the trigger on more expensive real models in that style. This one, however, is different because it offers a size that is missing in Flieger styled watches, but we'll get to that later on. What always surprises me about these, however, is the level of quality you get for a price that can't even get you an original strap from a more established brand. It's the same case with this Militado Flieger. Specs alone make it a bargain. A sapphire crystal, bead blasted steel case, 100 meters of water resistance with a screw-in crown, and a Seiko mecaquartz movement that is not only convenient as a grab-and-go watch that will be more accurate than any high-end mechanical, but also gives you an imitation of a mechanical sweeping seconds hand. Combine that with a price of around $60 and you have a recipe for a perfect beater watch. As a beater watch doesn't just mean a watch that can take a beating, but it also has to be something easily replaceable so that you really don't care about beating it around. Where this watch raises that to a whole new level is the iconic and very legible Flieger design, the incredible high level of finish for such a simple and cheap watch, and also the lume that is quite frankly excellent regardless of price. My favorite part, however, is the size I mentioned at the beginning. Fliegers were originally very large watches, and most brands, including established ones, make them big to stay true to the spirit of the originals from 100 years ago. While that is cool and most people can pull them off, I'm sadly not one of them. With a 6.5-inch wrist, watches larger than 42 millimeters look too big, while those larger than 44, which most Fliegers are, look absolutely comical. This thing with its 37mm size and under 45mm lug-to-lug is perfect for my small wrist, as I like watches that look smaller, as that makes my wrist look bigger. That is the reason my Rolex Explorer 36 is one of my most worn watches. This one pulls the same trick, even with the bulky NATO strap it comes with and pretty flat lugs. Luckily, the lugs are not too long, so the watch looks okay even on regular straps, which is how I would wear it. Being under 10mm in thickness, it works even with the NATO, but with a regular strap, it sits low, and combined with a weight of under 60 grams, it truly disappears on your wrist, which is yet another beater feature. A watch you forget you're wearing and one that doesn't get in the way of your daily activities. For the same $65 with established brands, you could go for a basic plastic Casio with a plastic crystal. I think you can't even get a G-Shock for that money anymore, let alone one with a sapphire crystal, which makes this a true no-brainer, especially if, like me, you always like the Flieger look, but not the Flieger size. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.